anti-logarithm. It is just converge of logarithm, students. So in case of anti-logarithm, we see the antilog of decimal part, and the answer contains decimal after the first digit. You should remember this, student. So here what we see, that the digit before decimal is called as characteristic. Digit before decimal is called as characteristic, and this characteristic is what? This is power of 10. This is power of 10. So student, the digit here before decimal is 3. So here it means that it is 10 to the power 3. We have to multiply our answer with 10 to the power 3, and 0.3054 is the part which is called as mantissa. 0.3054, the decimal part is called mantissa, and we see its value of mantissa taken from antilog table. The value of mantissa is taken from antilog table. So student, in the previous video we have taken the log of 2020, which comes out to be this much. Now if we see the antilog of this number, obviously we would get the answer 2020, because log and antilog both are converse to each other. So now let us work ahead. So we have to see the value of 0.30 in 5. Okay, just take the first two digits, similarly which we have done in logarithm, but from decimal. So 0.30 value we will see in 5, and the next digit 4 we will say its mean difference. So in antilog table, student, what we have to see? We have to see the value of 0.30 in 5, and we have to take mean difference of 4. So I have got one antilog table here, and the value of 0.30 in 5. So this is 0.30 in 5 student, this is equal to 2018. So the value here I have got is 2018, and mean difference of 4, so we have to move ahead. This is 4 here, mean difference of 4 is 2. Okay, so let us write here 2, and we have to add these two numbers. So this is 2020, and decimal, student, I have already told you that we have to put decimal after first digit. So let us place a decimal after first digit. So the number which we have obtained here is, for this value is 2.020 multiplied by, I told you that we have to multiply the value with 10 to the power 3, the characteristic part, which is 1000. So multiplying this gives us a value of 2020, which we already had expected earlier, students. Now let us see some more values, some more antilog table. So example B, let us work on antilog of, let the number be 20.6251. So student, what is the characteristic part here? Characteristic part is 20. So this is 10 to the power 20. Okay, and the mantissa part is 0.6251. Don't bring it in scientific notation, which most of the student are usually do, and the answer is wrong. So this is 10 to the power 20 characteristic part, and the mantissa part is 0.6251. We have to see the value of mantissa. So we have to see the value of 0.62 in 5. I have already told you that we take first two digit after decimal, value in 5 and mean difference in 1, student. So I have to see its value in 5 and mean difference in 1. Okay, so let us take the help of the antilog table, 0.62 in 5 and mean difference 1. So 0.62 value in 5 is, you check here, it is 5, is 4217 and mean difference 1 is 1. So this is 4217 and mean difference 1 is 1. So let us add these two values, 4218. So decimal student, I have to place by myself after first digit. So 4.218 is the value of antilog which I have seen here, 4.218. And what is the characteristic part? 10 to the power 20. So I have to multiply it by 10 to the power 20 student. Now let us work on some values of negative antilog student, negative antilogarithm. So let us work on negative antilogarithm. Negative antilogarithm. Negative antilog student, let us work on negative antilogarithm. So let us pick one example here. Let us see antilog of